I must say you got her inspiration from your home also. If people don't know here, she is daughter of Subhashi. चौकी ठानी का नाम सुना है? Everybody? Yeah. So चौकी ठानी इनके पिताजी का है. और हम सब जानते हैं कि चौकी ठानी was the first destination in Jaipur which actually made Rajasthan culture in a hospitality department where nobody thought of कि ऐसा राजस्थानी culture भी as a restaurant theme चल सकता है.
My mom is here.
Oh, welcome, ma'am. So, how are you feeling when your mom comes to listen you? You are sitting in such kind of platform where youth are taking you as an inspiration, as being a Rajasthani.
Yeah, I think it's an honor and it's proud. Like my mom is with me. I think without them I couldn't have reached where I am, and I'm thankful to them. They keep motivating every day. There's a discussion. आज घर पे, you know, how was your work? And what my dad keeps inspiring me so much. Every day he discusses how I should grow my business, what I should do, since he is an expert in all this and he has gone through so much.
Alright. So एक अभी जो मैं सवाल आपसे पूछने वाली हूँ.
I love your shoes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. लड़कियों में ये खूबसूरत बात होती है, एक दूसरे की तारीफ करते रहते हैं. Alright. So my question was like, you know, ज़्यादातर जो रिच फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं एंड यू आर फ्रॉम दैट फैमिली, सो उन लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि मैं हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए, अच्छी स्टडीज़ के लिए अब्रॉड जाऊँ और वहीं जाके काम कर लूँ, क्योंकि कुछ साल अब्रॉड में बिताने के बाद इंडिया आने का मन नहीं करता है. तो व्हाट एक्चुअली मेड यू ब्रिंग टू इंडिया बैक और टू वर्क हियर ओनली, नॉट टू गो अब्रॉड डिफरेंट कंट्रीज?
So basically, when I finished my schooling, I also got through NIT Delhi, NIFT Delhi. But my parents were very protective about me. They wanted me to become a designer, but at the same time, they were very protective about me.
So this credit goes to your parents.
Yeah, so somewhere they didn't let me go, but I took that as a challenge. कि ठीक है, if I don't go to one of the best
But you
institutes of
wanted to
fashion,
go?
I got through it. Everything was done. But last minute, I think वो होता है ना, my dad was like too emotional कि नहीं भेजना मैं. So he couldn't send me, and I took that as a challenge कि ठीक है, अब नहीं भेजा to one of the best schools of designing. I'll study here and I'll make something out of it and I'll create my name out of it. So I think sometimes all these struggles become like a stepping stone. It motivates you to work harder. And by God's grace, I was always topping both my colleges in fashion and BFA. And then I went to NIT Ahmedabad to do a short course. And I took a very small amount from my parents and started my label with my own one Karigar, one
Wow.
Master G. And yeah, now I'm here in front of you.
Great, super. So, what was the major challenge you faced to work in Rajasthan?
So see, no matter what, it's still a male-driven society. No matter what, if all the karigars, the major tailors, master Gs, like they're all male. So you have to learn how to handle the different situations when you know, talking to them, how to deal with challenges. Sometimes they're not coming, they would leave, they'll take advances. So there were a lot of challenges. Also, other challenges are like sometimes not all your designs will work well. So thinking what should you make new, how will you be able to sell it, what are the price points, and how you should, you know, keep your price points also in mind and design something that is new and innovative, and what will the customers accept. So there are a lot of challenges, not only one.
Absolutely, I can understand that. But I just want to know, like, our subject is like to bring Rajasthan and acting and fashion into the daily life, mainstream. So what is your favorite part of designs, and if we talk about especially Rajasthani designs?
So if you see block printing, if you see Anokhi, if I talk about them, I think they have taken block printing on the world map, right? But that is only in the casual fashion, like Pret line. It's like only everyday wear or Pret line, or even now in upholstery if you see it. But what we did a collection in which we have used block print and khadi, and we have made couture garments, which is like bridal couture garments with block printing techniques in it. So which we launched in Heritage, Rajasthan Heritage Fashion Week, and which does brilliantly. We are doing lehengas with block print and which has a lot of mirror embroidery on it. So I think that's how, you know, people think block print can only be for like everyday wear kurtis.